Hey there, welcome back to Freelance with Jay, where we break down freelancing into simple, actionable steps so you can grow your skills, land clients, and increase your income. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a comment, and like and share this video so more freelancers like you can benefit. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest freelancer questions. Where do I actually find clients? Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, this video is your map. How to find freelance clients, both free and paid methods. Because at the end of the day, your skills mean little if the right people never see them. Let's break it down. Imagine this. You're a skilled web developer or designer. You've got the knowledge, you've even built a great portfolio, but there's silence. No emails, no offers, no gigs. That's because freelancing is a two-part game. Building the skill and finding the clients. Today, we're going deep into where and how to actually get them. Here's the truth. Without a steady client pipeline, freelancing feels like a hustle that never ends. But when you know where to look, everything changes. You build trust faster, you land higher paying projects, and you attract better clients, the kind that come back again and again. Social media isn't just for scrolling, it's your free marketing stage. Think LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook groups, or even niche communities like dev.to for developers. Share your work, comment thoughtfully, help others solve problems. That visibility positions you as the go-to person. Clients notice experts who show up consistently. One of the most underrated sources? Your network. Past clients, friends, colleagues, they can all bring opportunities your way. Don't be shy about saying, I'm available for freelance web development. If you know someone, connect me. Word of mouth builds faster than you think, especially when you deliver quality. Cold outreach may sound intimidating, but it works. Identify businesses who clearly need your service. Maybe a local store with a poor website or a startup missing a proper landing page. Reach out with a personalized email. Show them the problem. Offer a tailored solution, and demonstrate you can help. Many freelancers land their first clients this way. Now, if you're ready to invest money to get access to clients, freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are solid choices. You pay in time, fees, or premium memberships, but in return you get exposure to thousands of active clients looking for skills right now. The key is standing out with a polished profile and strong proposals. Another option? Paid ads. Maybe you run a simple Facebook or Google ad targeting businesses who need web development services. Or perhaps you promote your portfolio site with a small Instagram campaign. Paid marketing can accelerate visibility, but it works best once you know exactly who your target clients are. Here's the secret most freelancers miss. Getting clients is just the beginning. Keeping clients, turning one project into multiple, is where the real money and stability come from. Follow up, deliver more than expected, stay in touch. Relationships compound. So, we've covered free methods like social media, referrals, and outreach, and paid methods like platforms and ads. Remember, freelancing is about visibility plus trust. The more consistent you are, the more clients will find you. In our next video, we will dive into how to write proposals that win clients. Because finding clients is one thing, but convincing them to choose you is the next level. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'd love to hear in the comments, what's your biggest struggle right now in finding freelance clients?